Okay, so first you go to Weebly. So you go to website.
And then you
go
click edit site.
Yeah.
Then you go to whatever site you want to go to.
I'm gonna go to the home page. Then you click the plus sign.
Then you click HD video and put it in your desired spot.
Then you click whatever you want, and I'm just gonna do a video. And then you publish your video.
/site.
And now your site is published.